Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at an incredible piece of American coin history, the 1899 Barber quarter dollar from the United States of America. This beautiful coin features the classic Liberty head design along with the powerful American eagle on the reverse side, making it one of the most iconic coins for collectors around the world. In this video, we'll explore the history, design, and potential value of this amazing coin, and why some Barber quarters can be worth much more than their face value today. If you are a coin collector or someone who loves rare and historic coins, you're definitely going to enjoy this one. So stay tuned as we uncover the story and value behind this fascinating 1899 Barber quarter dollar. The beautiful 1899 Barber quarter dollar. This coin represents an important period in the history of the United States and remains a favorite among collectors around the world. If you enjoy learning about rare and historic coins, this is definitely a coin you will want to know about. The Barber quarter was first introduced in 1892 and continued to be produced until 1916. The design was created by the famous engraver Charles E. Barber, who served as the chief engraver of the United States Mint. His design was chosen after the government decided to replace the older coin designs that had been used for many years. The Barber series included 3 different coins: the dime, the quarter, and the half dollar. All of them carried the same elegant Liberty portrait. On the front side of the 1899 Barber quarter, we can see the classic portrait of Liberty facing to the right. Liberty is shown wearing a Phrygian cap with a laurel wreath tied around it, symbolizing victory and freedom. Around the portrait you can read the famous phrase, "In God we trust," which has been an important motto on many United States coins. Surrounding the edge are 13 stars, representing the original 13 American colonies that formed the nation. At the bottom of the coin, you will find the year 1899, which tells us when this particular coin was minted. Coins from the late 1800s like this one are highly valued not only for their age but also for their historical significance. Each coin tells a story about the economic life and craftsmanship of the time in which it was created. Now let's take a look at the reverse side of the coin. The back of the Barber quarter features a powerful and detailed image of the American eagle with its wings spread wide. The eagle holds arrows in one talon and an olive branch in the other, symbolizing the nation's readiness for both war and peace. Above the eagle is a banner with the Latin phrase, E pluribus unum, which means, out of many, one. This phrase represents the unity of the states that make up the United States. Around the outer edge of the reverse side, you can read United States of America and the denomination quarter dollar. The design reflects strength, unity, and the identity of the young American nation during the late 19th century. The 1899 Barber quarter was minted in several locations, including Philadelphia, New Orleans, and San Francisco. Each mint produced coins with slightly different mint marks, which collectors carefully study today. These small mint marks can make a huge difference in a coin's rarity and value. When it comes to value, the condition of the coin plays a very important role. Coins that have been heavily circulated and show significant wear may only be worth a modest amount. However, coins that are well preserved with sharp details can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the collector's market. Another factor that affects value is rarity. Some Barber quarters were produced in smaller numbers, making them much harder to find today. Because of this, serious collectors often search through old collections and coin shops hoping to discover one of these valuable pieces of American history. What makes the Barber quarter especially interesting is that it represents a time when coins were not just currency but also works of art. The craftsmanship, symbolism, and historical context all combine to make this coin a fascinating collectible. Even after more than a century, the design still captures the spirit and pride of the United States during that era. For coin collectors, finding a Barber quarter from the 1800s can be a thrilling experience. It connects us directly to the past and reminds us how coins have traveled through the hands of countless people over generations. Every scratch, mark, and detail tells part of its story. So if you ever come across an old coin like the 1899 Barber quarter, take a moment to look closely at it. You might just be holding a small but important piece of American history. And who knows, depending on its rarity and condition, it could even be worth far more than you expect. Thank you for watching and exploring this amazing coin with me today. If you enjoy learning about rare coins and historical treasures like the Barber quarter, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more fascinating coin stories in our next video. The 1820 Liberty Quarter. This coin is admired by collectors around the world for its elegant design, powerful symbolism, and fascinating history. If you are passionate about rare coins and historical treasures, this is definitely a coin worth learning about. The Standing Liberty Quarter was first introduced in 1916 and continued to be produced until 1930. It replaced the older Barber quarter design and brought a completely new artistic style to American coins. The coin was designed by the talented sculptor Hermon Atkins MacNeil, who wanted to create a design that represented both peace and strength for the United States. On the front side of the coin, also known as the obverse, we see the powerful image of Lady Liberty standing confidently between two walls. She holds an olive branch in her right hand, which represents peace, while her left hand holds a shield that symbolizes protection and readiness to defend the nation. This combination of symbols shows the balance between peace and strength that the United States wanted to represent during that time. Across the top of the coin, you can clearly read the word liberty, which has always been one of the most important values represented on American coins. On both sides of liberty, you can see the phrase "In God We Trust," which is another famous motto that appears on many United States coins. At the bottom of the coin, the year 1920 is displayed, marking the year this particular quarter was minted. The reverse side of the coin is just as impressive. It features a majestic American eagle flying through the sky with its wings fully spread. Surrounding the eagle are several stars that represent the states of the nation. The eagle itself symbolizes freedom, power, and the spirit of the United States. One interesting thing about the Standing Liberty Quarter series is that the design changed slightly during its production years. Early versions of the coin showed Liberty with more detailed artistic features, but later designs were modified to make the coin more durable for everyday circulation. These small differences are something that collectors pay close attention to when studying the coin. The 1920 Standing Liberty Quarter was produced at several United States mint locations. Some coins were minted in Philadelphia, while others were made in San Francisco or Denver. Coins from different mint locations often carry small mint marks, and these mint marks can significantly affect the rarity and value of the coin. When it comes to value, the condition of the coin is extremely important. Coins that have been heavily used over the years may show wear on Liberty's figure or the eagle's feathers. These coins are usually worth less. However, coins that still have strong details and minimal wear can be worth much more to collectors. In some cases, well-preserved Standing Liberty quarters from the early 20th century can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on their grade and rarity. This is why collectors carefully examine every detail, from the sharpness of the design to the clarity of the date and mint mark. Another reason collectors love the Standing Liberty Quarter is because it represents an important time in American history. The early 1900s were a period of change, growth, and artistic development in the United States. Coin designs during this era became more artistic and symbolic, making them not only currency but also miniature works of art. Holding a coin like the 1920 Standing Liberty Quarter is like holding a small piece of history in your hand. This coin may have passed through countless hands over the past century, witnessing decades of economic change and historical events. Each mark on the coin tells part of its story. For coin collectors, discovering a coin like this can be an exciting moment. Many collectors spend years searching for well-preserved examples to add to their collections. Because of its beauty and historical importance, the Standing Liberty Quarter continues to be one of the most popular coins among numismatists. If you ever find a coin like this in an old collection or inherited coin box, it is always a good idea to examine it carefully. Sometimes people unknowingly own coins that are far more valuable than they realize. The 1920 Standing Liberty Quarter remains a symbol of artistic excellence and American heritage. Even after more than 100 years, its design continues to impress collectors. The beautiful 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter. This coin is one of the most admired coins among collectors because of its elegant design, rich history, and strong symbolism. Coins like this are not only currency but also small pieces of art that represent an important part of American heritage. The Standing Liberty Quarter series was first introduced in 1916 and continued until 1930. It replaced the older Barber quarter design and quickly became one of the most artistic coin designs ever produced by the United States Mint. The coin was designed by the talented sculptor Hermon Atkins MacNeil, who wanted to create a design that symbolized the strength, peace, and ideals of the United States. On the front side of the coin, also called the obverse, we see the powerful figure of Lady Liberty standing proudly between two walls. Liberty holds an olive branch in her right hand, which represents peace, while her left hand holds a shield that represents protection and readiness to defend the nation. This design beautifully represents the balance between peace and strength. At the top of the coin, the word liberty is clearly visible. This word has always been an important symbol on United States coins. On both sides of liberty, we can also see the famous motto "In God We Trust," which appears on many American coins. At the bottom of the coin, the year 1928 is displayed, marking the year this particular coin was minted. Now let's take a look at the reverse side of the coin. The back of the 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter features a majestic American eagle flying through the sky with its wings spread wide. The eagle is surrounded by several stars that represent the states of the nation. The eagle is a powerful national symbol of freedom, strength, and independence. The 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter was produced at different United States Mint facilities. Some coins were minted in Philadelphia, while others were produced in Denver and San Francisco. These coins often carry small mint marks that collectors carefully examine because mint marks can affect the rarity and value of a coin. One of the most interesting aspects of collecting Standing Liberty Quarters is studying their condition. Over the years, many of these coins were heavily used in daily circulation, which caused wear on the design. Coins that have heavy wear may only show faint details of Liberty or the eagle. However, coins that are well preserved and still have strong design details can be worth significantly more. High-grade examples of the 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter can be very desirable among collectors and may sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on their condition and rarity. Another reason collectors love this coin is its artistic beauty. During the early 20th century, the United States Mint focused on creating coins that were not only functional but also visually impressive. The Standing Liberty Quarter is one of the best examples of this artistic movement in American coinage. Holding a coin like the 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter is like holding a piece of history. This coin may have circulated through the hands of many people nearly a century ago, during a time when the world was changing rapidly. Each small detail on the coin reflects the craftsmanship and design style of that era. For many coin collectors, finding a Standing Liberty Quarter in good condition can be an exciting discovery. These coins continue to attract collectors because of their beauty, history, and potential value. If you ever come across an old coin like the 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter, it is always worth taking a closer look. You might discover that what seems like an ordinary coin is actually a valuable collectible. Thank you for watching and learning about the 1928 Standing Liberty Quarter with us today. If you enjoy videos about rare coins, valuable collectibles, and historical treasures, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing coin stories in our upcoming videos. The 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter. This coin is one of the most admired silver quarters ever produced by the United States Mint and continues to attract collectors from around the world. The Standing Liberty Quarter series was first introduced in 1916 and remained in production until 1930. It replaced the earlier Barber quarter design and quickly became known for its beautiful artistic appearance. The coin was designed by the talented sculptor Hermon Atkins MacNeil, who wanted to create a design that symbolized the ideals of freedom, peace, and national strength. On the front side of the coin, also known as the obverse, we see the elegant figure of Lady Liberty standing confidently between two large walls. In her right hand, Liberty holds an olive branch, which is a symbol of peace. In her left hand, she carries a shield that represents protection and the nation's readiness to defend itself. This design shows the balance between peace and strength, an important message during the early 20th century. At the top of the coin, the word liberty is clearly visible, reminding us of one of the most important values of the United States. On both sides of liberty, the famous motto, "In God We Trust," is also displayed. At the bottom of the coin, the year 1927 marks the time when this particular coin was minted. Now let's take a closer look at the reverse side of the coin. The back of the 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter features a powerful image of the American eagle flying with its wings fully spread. Around the eagle are several stars that represent the states of the United States. The eagle has long been a symbol of freedom, courage, and national pride. The 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter was produced at several United States mint facilities, including Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins produced at different mint locations often carry small mint marks, which collectors carefully examine. These mint marks can make certain coins rarer and more valuable. When collectors evaluate a coin like the 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter, the most important factor is its condition. Coins that have circulated heavily over many years may show worn details on Liberty's figure or the eagle's feathers. These coins are usually worth less than coins that are well preserved. However, coins that remain in excellent condition with strong and clear design details can be worth much more. Some high-grade Standing Liberty Quarters have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the collector's market. Another reason collectors appreciate this coin is because of its artistic beauty. During the early 1900s, American coin designs became more detailed and symbolic. The Standing Liberty Quarter is often considered one of the most beautiful coin designs ever produced by the United States Mint. Holding a coin like the 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter is like holding a small piece of history. This coin may have been used in everyday transactions nearly a century ago. It may have passed through the hands of many people, witnessing important moments in history. For coin collectors, discovering a coin like this in an old collection can be an exciting experience. Some collectors spend years searching for well-preserved examples of Standing Liberty Quarters to add to their collections. If you ever come across a coin like the 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter in an old coin box or inherited collection, it is always worth examining it carefully. You might discover that the coin has historical importance or collector value. The 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter remains an important symbol of American artistry and history. Even after many decades, this beautiful silver coin continues to inspire collectors and historians around the world. Thank you for watching and learning about the 1927 Standing Liberty Quarter. If you enjoy discovering rare coins and historical treasures, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more fascinating coin stories in our upcoming videos.